Hey guys, this is my 6-foot Gemmy 2012 Shivering Snowman from Lowe's. As you can see, the box is a little worn out. I got this on eBay. My parents bought it for me. I'm very proud of it. And let's go plug it in. He shakes too like he shivers. He's a really good shivering snowman. And that's the video. I hope you all like it. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.